Good morning and welcome to Canine Adventures. So yesterday when I was on a walk, I was told of a place called Harmondsworth Moor, which is down by Heathrow Airport. So I've never been there before. I'm going to give it a go today and just see what it's like. Apparently it's fantastic for dog walkers. There's a little hidden gem, as I say, right next to Heathrow Airport, one of the busiest airports in the world. Apparently once you get on there, you got lakes, you got rivers, you got wildlife, you got open fields, and it's over 100 acres of land. So let's get the dogs and let's see how we get on today. Come on, you, that's a good boy. So that was Harmondsworth Park, very well worth the visit. It's about 35 minutes away from the Notting Hill area and fairly easy to get to. I did get a little bit geographically embarrassed, shall we say, when I first arrived, and I didn't really know where I was going. It's quite a large park, so I did take from where I parked, I took a wrong turn and I ended up in this smaller kind of park, but I did spend 15-20 minutes there and realised that if I'd have only parked 300 metres down the road, then I'd have been at the entrance of Harmondsworth Park. There are parking restrictions in place. I believe it's from 9:30 till 10:30 you can't park, and from 3:30 till 5 you can't park. But all time in between that is good for anybody to park up. So yeah, the timings are in the video, so have a look at that, and I'm sure you'll have a really good time. Loads of open spaces, the lakes, the fields, the wildlife is phenomenal. The dogs had a really good time and a really good swim.